Hey people, so this is how our balcony looks. I cleaned it yesterday but still it's looking like this, but whatever. So this little guy is, see there she's standing to observe what is this nonsense these people are up to. And this guy here is Henry, and this is the sweetest guy for whom I got all these bunch of pagals. And the girl in the cage is Ski. Ski keeps doing skiing of her own. She's like, and he's very affectionate. He always sits on my lap. I love him.
And Henry, he's an astronaut.
Yeah, Henry is an astronaut who keeps flying in the balcony of Maratpalli. And this lady is one more. She's very, that is Bonnie. You try to catch her and she'll run. This guy is very decent. Oh, super decent. And this is the boy for whom I got all these rabbits. He's the one who saved her. Yeah, this is a boy rabbit. Boy rabbits are very affectionate, somewhat. This lady is also having her breakfast. She's the only one. And that girl, look at her. She's looking. Hi, baby. You've grown so big. When did you grow so big, Ayush? Did you know?
No, she's just raising herself for Isaac.
She was so tiny. She was the size of this little girl.
No, we didn't get her at that size.
Yeah, we got her even smaller, right?
Like the size of Henry.
No. Henry though is one uncle. Uncle Henry is spending time with us.
It's so small. So small.
Hi, Bonnie. Come here and chat with us, no? And this man is eating his breakfast, this girl. Grey and white. She's very cute and adorable. But it's just so relaxing spending time with them.
The most cutest is Henry.
Yeah, I have to take a photo also now.